writing represents thoughts assembled by Milton B, Hazzard Jr. It is a deeply personal exploration of identity, history, and the evolving terminology used to define Black individuals born in the United States of America. The cover features a powerful image of my father. He is a representation of resilience, heritage, and the generational influences that shaped who I am today.
400 years plus, the only people on Earth who have endured 7 changes of the name used to identify its race are Black individuals who were born in the United States of America.
Perhaps the repetitive changes were an effort to inhibit racial unity among Native Black Americans. Perhaps an attempt to marginalize the value of Native Black American contributions, which helped make America a great nation. African American has evolved into a name portraying a second-class citizen with a focus on skin color. Consider this question. Are white, Indian, and Asian individuals born on the African continent who become citizens of the United States classified as African American? The designation African American fails to clearly define any racial group. Therefore, it is blemished. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 22, KJV.